Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Akshata, and in this channel you will see beauty, skincare, lifestyle and many more fun vlogs too. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. This video is going to be about content creation, the do's and don'ts, and a few years of my experience in this industry. So if you're interested, please watch till the very end and let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to give a little disclaimer that I am myself a newbie on YouTube. I don't have any experience on YouTube, but yes, I do have a fair share of experience in doing Instagram content creation or collaboration, as you could say. I didn't really create a lot of content on Instagram, but since I had more than a K followers, and earlier, पहले के time पे 1K followers, like before lockdown, it was a huge deal. So brands used to collaborate in a barter basis, and all these things we are going to talk about paid collaboration, barter collaboration. We are going to talk about all of this in this video. So if you're looking for an advice on YouTube, I may not be the best person to come to, but yeah, if you're thinking about Instagram collaboration or barter collaborations on Instagram, then I may be a person who could give you a few advice. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the very common question is, how do we create content on Instagram or YouTube, whatever. Content creation is very easy. It's the same for all the platforms. So first of all, you have to pick a niche. Now, what is a niche? Any form of content that you choose to make, or either of the platforms, Instagram or YouTube. So for example, my niche is skincare, beauty and lifestyle. Your niche could be technology or vlogs or a family vlogging channel or anything for that matter. So traveling can also be one of the niche. So you have to pick any niche जिसके around आपका content creation film होगा, and you just have to film videos accordingly and then post it on any of the platforms that you choose to. अब suppose करो your niche is beauty and skincare makeup content, so you just have to film videos around makeup and skincare and post it on either of the platforms. After you are posting consistently and आपका post एक fair share of audience से relate होता है, उसके बाद आपका Instagram account grow करने लगता है. So for example, I am posting reviews of the skincare products. तो मैं videos डालती रहूँगी and my videos have to be of a decent quality. I'm not saying that you have to make top notch videos. स्टार्ट हमेशा स्लो होता है, स्टार्ट हमेशा डाउन से होता है एंड धीरे धीरे अप जाता है. सो इट्स रियली फाइन इफ़ योर वीडियोज़ आर नॉट दैट अप टू द मार्क, but do your best. Okay, try your level best to make it as good as possible, but yeah, just try go slow, and उसके बाद once you have uploaded, धीरे धीरे करके your audience will start engaging. People will come to know, your videos will go viral as in not that viral, but Instagram algorithm would work accordingly, and कोई एक videos जिस पे maybe कुछ views आए, and mind it, views are very like dicey. किसी दिन you will get 10 views, किसी दिन you will get 100, किसी दिन you will get 60, किसी दिन you will get 2000. So it's not consistent, but one thing that has to be consistent is you have to be very consistent on uploading the videos, and yeah, that way you will get a good audience. तो अब आ जाते हैं टू द मेन पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर द क्रिएटर्स अर्न मनी. सो यूट्यूब पे इट्स ऑल्सो एडसेंस, बट इट्स नियर टू नथिंग, लाइक इट वोंट पे योर बिल्स. बट इंस्टाग्राम पे इट्स नॉट इवन दैट, इट्स solely depending on collaborations, how many collaborations you get. Now there are two types of collaborations. The first one is paid collaborations and the second one is barter collaboration. So how paid collaboration works is depending on the engagement of your profile. आपके प्रोफाइल पे जितने फॉलोअर्स हैं उसके हिसाब से कितने लोग आपके रील्स पे, आपके पोस्ट पे इंगेज कर रहे हैं, उसके हिसाब से you have to quote an amount to the brand कि okay, for a reel I'll charge this much, for a story I'll charge this much, and for a post I'll charge this much. And then negotiations होता है, and then जो कि ब्रांड के लिए एंड क्रिएटर के लिए दोनों के लिए जो अमाउंट फिक्स बैठता है, फेयर होता है, वो उस पर एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन होता है, एंड देन यू गो अहेड विद द कोलैबोरेशन. Okay, now keep this in mind that your payment doesn't depends on your number of followers. Like it does to some extent, but उतना नहीं depend करता. For example, एक person के 5K followers है, second person के 10K followers है, but the 5K one has approximately 100 to 150K views on his or her profile, and the 10K one has 10K, 20K, 15K views on her reels. सो वॉट डू यू थिंक, किसको ब्रांड ज़्यादा पे करेगा, जिसका 100K व्यूज़ आ रहा है या जिसका 20K व्यूज़ आ रहा है? Obviously the 100K one. So your views and the quality of the content that you provide also matters. So these all are the ways how you could quote your payment to the brand. Okay, now coming to barter collaborations. I think I heard one of the content creators saying this, that barter collaborations should be named unpaid collaborations. Yes guys, unpaid collaborations, because isme you don't get, the creator doesn't get any money to provide the reel or story or post. The creator gets the products, but this is a scam from the brands. Let me tell you how. सो बेसिकली इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू रिव्यू अ प्रोडक्ट, अगर एक प्रोडक्ट है जिसका मुझे रिव्यू डालना है ऑन माई चैनल या ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल, आई वुड ऑब्वियसली ट्राई द प्रोडक्ट. पहले मैं वो प्रोडक्ट खुद ट्राई करूँगी, पहले मेरे को मेरे हाथ में वो प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए, उसके बाद ही जाके मैं उसका रिव्यू डाल सकती हूँ. सो फॉर द रिव्यू, ब्रांड को तो अपना प्रोडक्ट वैसे भी भेजना है, बट दे नेम इट बार्टर कोलैबोरेशन, कि हम आपको प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हैं जिसके बदले में आप हम लोगों को अपना कंटेंट दे रहे हैं. बट दिस इज़ नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. ये वर्क नहीं करता, बिकॉज रिव्यू के लिए तो आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट भेजना ही पड़ेगा, बट यू हैव टू गिव मी सम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी जिसके लिए मैं अपना कंटेंट आपको प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ. So to all the micro influencers, I am saying this, that do not go for barter collaborations. And it's okay अगर initial days में you took the products and आपने story डाला या एक post डाल दिया, it's fine, but don't do a full-fledged reel. I have seen micro influencers doing a full-fledged reel, एक reel, दो reel, for just getting the products. वो तो आपका राइट है ही कि आपको प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, आप उसको टेस्ट करोगे तभी आप उसका रिव्यू डालोगे, बिकॉज आपको अपने ऑडियंस को अंधेरे में नहीं रखना है कि हाँ ये प्रोडक्ट काम नहीं करता है ना आपने उसका डाल दिया कि या इट वर्क्स मैजिकली. ऑफकोर्स इफ़ योर स्किन टाइप इज़ डिफरेंट, इट वर्क फॉर यू, और किसी के लिए नहीं काम किया, दैट इज़ अ टोटल डिफरेंट थिंग. बट generally you try the product, you give your honest review and opinions. So I would suggest that it's okay if you go for a story or whatever, but don't do full-fledged reels for a barter collaboration. That is what I would suggest, because this mistake I have done in the initial days when I had very few followers. But yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, another thing that I won't suggest is reimbursement collaborations. Now, those of you don't know what is reimbursement collaborations, इसमें you have to buy the product from the brand's website or Amazon, Flipkart, wherever they tell you. उसको आपको खरीदना पड़ेगा and उसके बाद उसको review करना पड़ेगा. Once the review goes live on Amazon or wherever they ask you, उसके बाद they'll return you your money. So it takes around 15 days and sometimes even 30 days तक आपका पैसा अटका रहता है. And I don't get, like I have done these collaborations, trust me, I have tried everything. But I don't get the reason why should I invest my money for 30 days. I should wait for my money, and what do I get in return? Just the product. And what if I don't like the product? So I don't find any sense for this, क्योंकि हर साइड से it is just benefiting the brand and the content creator gets nothing in return. Again, if they tell you कि हम आपको product दे रहे हैं तो वो तो for the review anyway you have to give us ना. So that it doesn't make any sense. And sometimes a few local brands also scam some content creators. वो लोग उनका पैसा return ही नहीं करते हैं. And अगर आप Amazon से खरीद रहे हो तो उसका रिफंड डेट भी निकल जाता है. सो नाउ यू आर जस्ट लेफ्ट विद द प्रोडक्ट एंड योर मनी इज़ गॉन. सो डोंट गो फॉर दी. अब आ जाते हैं लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, how do you contact the brands or Instagram? So it is very easy. Once you have a good amount of reach on your profile, you just have to go to the brands page, Instagram पे, जिस पे भी आपको collaboration करना है. Try picking up the homegrown brands first. Like homegrown brands, by that I mean those who are already doing collaborations with micro influencers. वैसा brands आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं जो सिर्फ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, बिग कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के साथ कोलैब करें. नॉट विद दोज जो माइक्रो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ कोलैब करते हो, उनको यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. यू हैव टू चेक एवरी ब्रांड्स पेज. जिस टाइम पे भी उनका प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च होता है, यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी एक्टिव एंड बी वेरी एक्टिव टू चेक. उसके बाद आपको जाना है उनके ईमेल में एंड यू हैव टू राइट एन ईमेल दैट आई एम दिस इज़ माई नीश, एंड ऑलवेज पिक वही नीश का ब्रांड जो आपके नीश से मैच करता हो. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्किन केयर में चूज़ अ स्किन केयर कैटेगरी ओनली एंड नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स. ओके, So go and write ki we would love to collaborate. I have tried these products and I love it. This is, give your profile link. This is my profile link. I have these many followers. These are my engagements, and just write them down and send the email. Do it with multiple brands, as many as you can, and hopefully you will get a reply. Hopefully they will tell you to fill a form. You have to fill a form, give your address, and then वहाँ पे नीचे उनका लिखा भी होगा कि what are the timings for the deliverables. Make sure you read the whole form, terms and conditions very carefully, because बाद में you could end up in trouble अगर आपने ठीक से नहीं पढ़ा. If they are asking for the deliverables in 4 days, you have to give them in 4 days. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all liked this video and I hope it was informational for you all. If you want me to make a part 2 of this video, comment down below, and I would also love to hear your questions. So you can also drop down your questions if you have anything related to content creation, any doubts, and I'll take those up in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.